Is Airbnb dying in India? Is the golden era of Airbnb business is coming to an end? If you are a host or a property owner or planning to start an Airbnb business, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Hi, I am Priyanka Marwa and I am closely working with a lot of homestay owners, and one of the questions that has been arising for so long is, are the Airbnbs coming to an end? Are the Airbnb business slowing down? Is this the end of Airbnb business in India? So let's have a look at what actually is happening. Point number 1, Airbnb isn't the complete market. Most of the hosts think that we only get the bookings through Airbnb, but now we are getting booking through various OTA platforms like Booking.com, GoIbibo, Make My Trip, Agoda, and VRBO. Apart from that, you also get a lot of bookings from the booking websites. The market has become much more diversified now. Point number 2, the competition has increased a lot. Few years back, simply listing a property on Airbnb gives you a good business. But now, since the competition has increased, you have to work on your listings. Today, guest compares dozens of property before booking any property. And they compare the services and the cleanliness of the homestay with the hotels. Better interior, better pricing, faster response, all these adds up to the experience of the guest. And they definitely make a difference. Point number 3, the guest expectations has changed. Guests no longer just want the place to sleep. They expect hotel level cleanliness, Wi-Fi, self-check-in, quick service, and 24/7 support. So hospitality standards has really gone up. Point number 4, compliance has become really important now. Across India, the authorities are now paying more attention towards short-term rentals. Depending upon your location, the host may need to comply with the local authorities' laws, GST compliances, guest verification, fire safety norms, and so on. Professional hosting nowadays has become much more than just handing over the keys to the guest. Point number 5, the cost of hosting has increased now. Housekeeping, maintenance, linen, electricity, and the OTA platform commission, all the costs has been gone up now. So that's why many hosts who are considering it as a passive income is now facing a lot of challenges handling it. So, is Airbnb dying in India? My answer is simply no. Airbnb isn't dying, but the market is evolving now. So, easy money phase is dying now, but the professionally managed homestays are doing really better now. The winners today are not the ones who are just listing the properties on OTA platforms. The winners today are the ones who are working on the guest experiences, compliances, coping up with the technology, and definitely the revenue management, and not just making it live on various OTA platforms. So if you are a property owner, don't ask whether Airbnb is dying or no. Ask whether your property is adapting to current situations or scenarios or no. So the future belongs to the host, those who are working on the guest experience, considering this as a hospitality business and not considering it as a side business. So what do you think? Is Airbnb dying in India? What are your thoughts about it? Please write it in the comment box. And all the property owners, please follow Hosted by Priyanka to get more information about the Airbnb hosting tips.